Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Stainbrook, and I want to go over with you the answers from your coin jar scavenger hunt. So you were looking around the classroom at some jars that look just like these, and the jars were numbered 1 through 12. Your job was to look at each jar, count up the money that was inside of each jar, and then record the money amount, write the money amount on the answer sheet that looked like this. Okay, so next to jar 1, you would have written down in this box how much money was in jar 1. So I'd like to go over those with you. What I want you to do is to have a pencil ready and fix any mistakes that you have made. Okay, we're going to count the money together, and if you did not write it correctly on your answer sheet, then I want you to fix that, please, while you are listening to me. Okay, so let's take a look at coin jar number 1. Inside coin jar number 1, you see 4 coins. Since those are the copper brown ones, you should know that those are 4 pennies. Pennies we count by 1, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 cents. So the answer for coin jar number 1 would be 4 cents. So again, next to coin jar 1 on your answer sheet, you should write 4 cents right on that line. If you made a mistake, go ahead and fix that now. And just a reminder, it is very, very important that you have the cents symbol. You cannot just put 4, because then we would not truly know what you mean. For what? 4 cents. Okay, let's take a look at coin jar number 2. Inside of coin jar number 2 is 2 coins. These are the largest sized coins, big and bold. Those are quarters. Each one is worth 25 cents. So 25 cents and another 25 cents is 50 cents. You got it. 2 quarters makes 50 cents. So again, on your answer sheet, next to coin jar number 2, down this way, you should have 50 cents for your answer. Let's take a look at coin jar number 3. Again, there's 4 coins this time, but these are not pennies. Do you know what these are? These are dimes, and dimes are worth 10. Dime, dime, little and thin. So these coins we're going to skip count by tens. So let's start here. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. So coin jar 3 has 40 cents inside. So on your answer sheet, next to coin jar 3, make sure that it says 40 cents. If you need to correct a mistake, you can do that right now. Now let's look at coin jar 4. This jar has 3 coins in it. Once again, I hope you're recognizing that these are quarters. This is what the front of the quarter looks like, and it's also important to know what the back of the quarter looks like. Now, not all quarters have the same picture on the back, but this is what some quarters could look like. But you'll recognize the front, and you should recognize it's the very largest sized coin. So 3 of these, each one is worth 25. We already said that 2 of them are worth 50, so 25 more than 50, and that's 75 cents. So pretty soon you should get to really remember that 3 quarters would be 75 cents. So make sure that it's written on your answer sheet for coin jar number 4. And let's look at coin jar number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Remember that these are dimes, and dimes are worth 10. So let's skip count these by tens, please. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Again, we have 50 cents, just a different way this time. Instead of 2 quarters, we have 50 cents using 5 dimes. So for number 5, your answer should show 50 cents. Coin jar 6 has 4 coins in it. We haven't seen these ones yet, not in this scavenger game. These are nickels. You have 4 nickels. Nickel, nickel, short and fat, or thick and fat. Those are worth 5 cents. I hope you remember. And let's skip count these by fives. 5, 10, 15, and 20. So in jar number 6, there's 20 cents. So make sure your answer sheet shows 20 cents for number 6. Here we are, coin jar 7. Look at that one all filled up. The first thing I noticed is all of that color, that brown color really stands out. So there's more of those pennies. And remember that pennies are worth 1 cent, so you just count those by ones. Go ahead and give another quick count to these pennies that you see on the screen. You should see 12 cents there inside of jar number 7. 12 pennies would make 12 cents. Coin jar 8 has 5 coins. Remember what those are? These are nickels. Nickels are worth 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents. So inside of jar number 8 is 25 cents, all nickels. Fix it if you need to. And inside coin jar number 9, now we have 4 quarters. First we had 2 quarters, that was 50 cents. Then we had 3 quarters, that was 75 cents. How much is 4 quarters? Remember, each one is 25 cents. Remember, if I said 2 quarters is 50 cents, then that means we have 50 cents. And also down here we have 50 cents. 4 quarters makes $1. You could say this 2 ways. 50 cents plus 50 cents is 100 cents. Or another way to say that, 100 cents is the same as saying that you have $1. All right, so make sure that on your answer line you have one of those answers. Both would be fine, but at least one of those to be correct. All right, let's take a look at coin jar 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. Those are nickels. Counting by fives, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35 what? 35 cents. Inside of jar 10, you have 35 cents. Again, make sure you're putting that cents symbol next to your money amount. And in coin jar 11, we have a whole lot of dimes, right? I hope you recognize those as dimes, smaller than those nickels. Let's count these by tens, please. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 cents. Inside of jar 11, there's 90 cents. And way here at the last jar, jar number 12, there's one lonely coin. What's the name of that coin? It's a quarter. How much are quarters worth, boys and girls? You guessed it, 25 cents. So one single quarter in that jar makes 25 cents. Well, thanks for working so hard on this scavenger hunt and practicing counting up coins with me. And hope you got some of those correct, and I hope you fixed any mistakes you made, and I'm sure that you'll be getting better at this all the time. Great job today. Keep up the good work.